use the washing machine?
Yeah, sure. You just you need to with the control.
I know. I need to get these in the chamber, but
you need to use the non-bio washing.
No. Wombat!
Yeah?
Can you come in here for a second?
What's up? Liam doesn't know how to use the washing machine. Oh, well, you just spin the thing and turn it on. My mum used to... you need to separate the whites.
Yeah, I remember something about you can alter the ratio of fabric softener.
We'll just put it in, press a few buttons. What's the worst that could happen?
I'm gonna do these in the sink.
Yeah.